But so far, hindi ba naman kailangan ni Kat Molina kasi
Hindi pa pagod?
Hindi pa pagod.
Hindi pa pagod yung mga wingers.
Tuloy-tuloy yung production ni Abraham, ni Habakon at ni Kagalawan.
Ang nakakatuwa lang dito sa dalawang batang to na kahit anong mangyari sa bola, iset man sa kanila na malayo, malapit, or kahit anong pwesto, kaya nilang kumuha ng puntos.
Yeah. The Lady Knights are trying to regain their focus via their meditation in between sets. That's what they're hoping to do here. First rally of set 3. Yen Martin sending that one straight to the net. She was replaced earlier by Leia Tapang. Balik-balik lang din halos neto ni Yen Martin.
Medyo malamig pa yan pag ganyan.
So San Beda will take advantage. Again, this is a very different San Beda team we are seeing right now. Confident and more sure of their actions. That one was tracked down by Estrelier. The swing by Nutura. Popped up. Abraham. Martin. They bring it over to Angel. Two-handed push. The drop will not work. Martin again. Checked. It's a kill block for San Beda.
That is a block
Kailangan
point for the Lady
mapagana
Red
ng
Sluggers.
Letran, itong si Martin ngayon, kumbaga kailangan siya.
Yeah.
Ngayon siya
It's
yung
now two, serving nine.
pinakakailangan sa mga panahon na to na talagang na-challenge nila sa San Beda. Kumbaga kailangan ng katulong ng mga ibang players.
Oof.
Two wide.
Service error.
Goes out.
Unleashed by Kat Molina.
And I'm sure, Martin, malaki ang tiwala na to ni Coach O kay Martin kasi ibinalik siya
Stepping up to
sa
serve.
loob ng court.
It's Angel Ledesma.
Again, Yen Martin has been their second leading scorer in the season. That last match against LPU, bounce back game na yun, 16 points. Masyado malakas mula kay Klein Abraham.
Attack goes out.
So 2-all. Again, our sets have been close. San Beda
It's
just
now
had,
two, serving all.
a slightly bigger separation towards the end of set number 2. Pero bandang gitna, dumikit pa rin tong Letran, ano? Saka
Yes.
lang nakaalago ulit yung San
Oo.
Beda.
Siguro na-alarma din sila na, dumidikit na. Dumidikit na itong Letran na
Fine,
baka
Abraham.
makuha na naman yung set sa kanila. Kasi ganun yung nangyari nung set 1.
That's right. Abraham scores off the block.
Angel Habakon to serve.
So Habakon will start. Too much juice on that
Service
jump
goes out.
serve.
Napansin ko dun sa jump serve na yun, yung full swing niya.
Yeah.
Na, grabe
Grabe.
yung... Kaya din siguro mataas yung talon niya.
Julian Litura,
Kasi full
si
swing,
Sir.
laking tulong yun pagdating sa mga spikers.
Alam mo tong right arm ni Habakon, parang feeling ko mechanical arm yun. Grabe ah.
Or parang, di baterya?
Oh,
Pinapalitan niya lang ng
Napalitan.
battery yung braso niya.
grabe kasi. Walang pagod. Tumawid si Kat Molina. I was too near.
That's a
For
center line
comfort
violation at the side
for
of the
Kat.
Lady Red Spikers. Point goes to the Lady Knights.
Teka. Letran, abanda na. Ganda na naban
Four
natin.
serving three.
Worthy of a
Yes.
San Beda Letran game. Ooh. Too
Service
strong
goes
for
out.
Judel. And it's been a while since we last had as we see, our
On deck
super
to
rookie
serve,
matchup
it's
right
Erin
now.
Navarro.
I think Makilang has 14. Yon, tama. Makilang has 14 points. Angel Habakon with 17. And we're just in
Service
set
goes out.
number 3. We're guaranteed at least a set 4. So, madadagdagan pa yan ng dalawang manlalaro natin.
Now up four to serve.
Palitan tayo ng
It's
service
Yen
errors.
Martin.
Oh, ito na si Yen Martin. Jump serve incoming. Piong with a good pass. Abraham. Wow! What a dig by Silva. Molina with a one-handed save. Estrelier. Ooh, too strong for Gia.
Too strong. Attack goes out.
Alam na niya.
Yes, yung contact pa lang niya doon sa bola.
So 5-all tayo dito. But I'm really impressed with the floor defense of Lara May
Ryan
Silva.
Abraham to
And
serve.
the adjustment
Correct.
na ginagawa niya. Kasi alam niya na nakukuhaan na siya ng punto sa mga corner. So,
Royce
yun yung adjustment na
delivers.
ginagawa niya na, okay, kailangan mas bantayan ko tong mga butas na to.
Yeah. Siya rin yung umaako ng responsibilidad.
Yes.
Ano? De La
Now for the
Cruz
serve. It's Royce
finding
delivers.
an open spot. And again, it's Estrelier activating her middle. 6-5. Pyong. They go to Kagalawan. Sophie, that drops in.
Yun yung
Sophie
nagiging
Pagalawan.
problem nila kapag wala si Silva sa likod. Yung mga ganong klaseng bola, wala nang
Now
nag-a-attempt sa
for the
kanila.
serve. It's Sophie Kagalawan.
Yun, corner ulit.
You mentioned Silva wasn't there. Sophie, ganda ng serve. Better first ball. Makilang!
Off the
Powers
block,
it through
Gia
the blockers. 7-6.
Daming variations.
15 puntos na para kay Gia
It's
Makilang.
Nat Estrella to serve.
Na, kakaumpisa pa lang ng third set natin.
Marami pa to. Marami pa ipupuntos yan. Nice serve by Nat. Habakon. Estrelier back set. Judel. Angel rises. And Angel scores.
Angel Habakon.
Unstoppable. Yung cross-court niya, kanina pa nahihirapan.
Now
Itong
for the
Letran,
serve. It's Jay De La
napigilan
Cruz.
yung mga cross-court hit.
Yeah. Witness the rise of an Angel. 18 points now for Habakon. Good sharp serve. Oh, Angela Desma
Miguel Ledesma.
with a quick to send
It's
us
the first
to
technical
our
timeout
first
of the
technical
third
timeout.
set.
Pagbalik natin,
Score, 8-7.
we'll hear
in
it
favor
from
of
Miss
Colegio
Arlo
San
de
Juan
Jesus.
Letran.
I want to add the face of the NCAA. I dare say.
Lakas maka James Yap nung vibe ni Clint. Ano?
Bro,
Steady lang. Steady lang.
Yeah, it had to be Clint, no?
Yeah.
Because of Clint's story coming back to the NCAA. This is where he came from in high school. And now we're starting this new platform. So Clint, maraming salamat for the time. It's great to see you again. Last time we saw you, last time Martin and I saw you, you were...
Welcome back mga kapuso. You are still watching the NCAA Women's Volleyball Tournament for the Season 99. I am Arla De Suzu working on the sidelines. Lumaban kayo at huwag niyong maliitin ang kalaban niyo at lalong-lalo na yung mental talks ninyo. Ayan ang paalala ni Coach Edgar Baroga sa San Beda Lady Red Spikers kasi nandyan naman na raw yung skills. Pero kapag nawala raw ang mental toughness ng isa ay damay-damay na raw lahat. On the side of the Letran Lady Knights, Coach O. Almado remind these girls na walang madaling laban na ibibigay sa kanila at parte raw ng journey nila yung nangyayari ngayon at mas mahirap pa raw lalo kasi lahat naman ang goal ay maging parte ng Final Four. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Shola.
Maraming salamat, our love. And thoughts of our coaches right there as we take a look at the leading scorers so far. Habakon with 18, Abraham with 10, Kagalawan with 10. 3 players in double figures now for San Beda. Makilang with 15. Next leading scorer na ng Letran, itong si Judel Nitura. But going back to what Arlov reported earlier, if you're Coach O, feeling ko, pag kinausap mo siya, gusto niyang nai-experience to ng team niya. Yung mga gantong tough matches.
Yes.
Kasi it's part of their growth. Again, this is
Yes.
only his first year
Yes.
in the NCAA. So, magandang nai-experience nila to ngayon para mag-grow sila as a team.
Yes, and mas marami pa silang matututunan
Yeah.
sa mga may experience nilang ganitong klaseng
10
laban.
serving A.
Na talagang, kumbaga dito masusubukan kung gaano katibay and kasolid yung team ng San Beda.
Oh, look at that. Si Angel Habakon was fired up after that kill block. Para naman sa San Beda, this is one of their
Off the
best
block,
games of the
Yen
competition
Martin.
so far. Yen Martin with the counter, ending that 3-zip run of the Lady Red Spikers after the technical
Now for the
timeout.
serve, it's Angel Ledesma.
Ito yung kailangan gumana para kay Coach Oliver Almadro. Yen Martin.
Yes, isa sa mga makakatulong
Yeah.
para dito sa Letran.
Kasi kung well-balanced ang scoring nitong San
Yes.
Beda. As Abraham goes too strong on that attack.
Attack goes out.
Dito sa Letran, it's Makilang with 15 points. Again, pagkatapos po niya,
Now 10,
si
serving all.
Nitura na
Nitura.
with 7 points. 10 all. We've had long sets so far. First set natin, 35 minutes. Second set, 27 minutes. O, diba? 30 minutes ulit sa set 3. Uy!
Mahaba-haba pa tong laban.
Oo. Ito si Angel
Attack error.
sending it low that time. Okay, kung ganyan kakadalas puntahan Shola. And of course, tao lang siya. Sige, balikan natin mamaya yung point na yan as we
11 to 10.
listen to
In
Coach
favor of
Edgar
Colegio
Baroga.
de San Juan de Letran.
Diskarte kayo. Kapag alam ninyo, nag-alangan tayo, balik niyo ang bola, kunin natin sa depensa. Nadidepensahan naman natin sila eh. Pag piniwersa niyo, problema natin yan. Error lahat natin yan. Paluin mo, lagyan mo ng clip. Ikaw na, sige, ikaw na pumatong. Hindi, okay naman yung dulo-dulo natin kanina eh. Dulo-dulo mo yan.
Okay. So, ayun. Yung dulo-dulo pa rin.
Yes.
Sabi ni Coach Edgar. Kasi yun yung gumagana para sa
Yes.
kanila.
And yung last na nangyari kasi, medyo off yung set kay Angel.
11
Kaya siya
serving
nagkaroon
10.
ng error. Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Edgar kanina na kung nahihirapan ka sa set, ipasok mo na lang, bawiin natin sa depensa. Kasi pag nadepensahan nila, may chance ulit silang makatake.
That's right. Pero, speaking of
That's the
defense,
service ace
hindi
for the
na
Lady
depensahan
Knights.
yan. Netong San Beda, they lacked the first ball and reception there.
12 serving 10.
So Angel Ledesma scores an ace. It's a 2-point lead now for Letran. Good serve again. Habakon from the middle. This time it's saved. Nitura. Pyong. Here's the pass for Abraham. Off speed will not work. Yen Martin
Off the
pushes
block,
it through.
Yen Martin.
Yan na, nagising na. Dito sa ating set 3 si Martin.
Still at the
Siya
serving
na ngayon
end. It's
yung
Angel Ledesma.
mas binibigyan ng kumpiyansa
Oh, yeah.
nito ni Estrelier.
Yen Martin. 16 points against LPU. Struggled in the early goings of this one. Nakabawi na siya ngayon. Difficult first ball. And here's a chance for Letran. They go back to Martin. Na-depends Hani Byong. Habakon! Puts it down.
Grabe, talon pa lang niya. Talon pa lang niya, nakita ko ng ibabaon na yung bola.
Yeah. Isa lang
Now
ang
for the
binigay na
serve,
blocker
it's
kay Angel. And she knew what she had to do. 20 points now for Habakon. Makilang for the reception. Dela Cruz saved. Sophie scores!
Sophie Kagulawa.
Another corner spot na open para dito sa Letran Lady Knights. This time, hindi nabantayan ni Silva
Timeout.
yung corner.
Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Score 12
Ito
to
pa rin yung
13.
instruction si
In
Coach
favor of the
Edgar.
Lady Knights.
Coach O naman.
Kaninang-kanina pa yan, Gia. Naghihintay ka na lang umikot ka sa harap para makapalo ka. Kahit rookie ka, kailangan mo matutunan, you have to do first what's needed. Now, ask what you need. Fundamentals. Yun ang kailangan mo. You don't want spectacular things right away. Be good in fundamentals first. Yun ang dinadala sa iyo, magang na bola. Nag-worry ka. Gusto mo Lea, Lara, you can call. Oh, wala, you can call.
Yeah, that was a teachable moment and learning experience para dito kay Gia Makilang. Of course, Coach O. Sinabi niya, kahit rookie ka.
Yes.
2 wide.
And we know you are a super rookie. But you gotta do what the team needs and what is expected from you, especially on the floor defense.
Yes, medyo crucial din kasi yung defense pattern nitong Letran Lady Knights. Kasi kung hindi nakukuhain ni Silva yung cross-court na yun, sobrang open naman yung
Off the block.
sharp.
Sophie
Yung sharp nila.
Kagalawan.
Eh yun kasi yung gumagana
Yeah.
nung first part ng ating laban.
Pero dito, Sophie Kagalawan,
Now up for the serve.
Using-
It's Erin Navarro.
the hands of the blockers to get that check out. 13-14. Dikitan pa rin tayo mga kapuso. What a Saturday offering. San Beda versus Letran. Not to Yen.
Yen
Yen
Martin.
Martin with a counterpoint.
Kita niya na open yung zone 6. Bukas yung gitna.
Yeah.
And it's a point for him.
15-13. Here's the jump serve by Martin. Buki pa. Joust! That is won by De La Cruz.
Royce De La Cruz.
And we now go to our
the
second
second
technical
technical timeout
timeout.
of the third set.
Magbabalik po
Current
ang
count,
NCAA
16-13
Season
in
99.
favor of Colegio de San Juan de Letran.
I want to add the face of the NCAA. I dare say.
Lakas James Yap nung vibe ni Clint. ano?
Bro,
Steady lang. Steady lang.
Yeah, it had to be Clint, no?
Yeah.
Because of Clint's story coming back to the NCAA. This is where he came from in high school. And now we're starting this new platform. So Clint, maraming salamat for the time. It's great to see you again. Last time we saw you, well, last time Martin and I saw you.
Balik sa ating laban. 16-13 in favor of the Lady Knights. Angel Habacon on your screens with 20 big ones in the match. And this is her ritual whenever she goes back to the court. Luluhod muna siya, genuflect,
It's now 16, serving 13.
and will whisper a short prayer before she goes in. That's an over reception. And
Gia
Makilang
Makilang.
takes care of business.
Kailangan mas maging aggressive nitong mga nasa harapan
17,
natin
serving 13.
para sa San Beda.
Nawawala ang first ball ng Lady Red Spikers. Kaya si Flores ang ipapasok ni Coach Edgar. Kagalawan! Finding the open spot. She's been
Sophie Kagalawan.
so good at that.
Yung mga hirap na bola na,
Oh.
hirap na set, kayang gawa ng paraan.
It's Klein Abraham to serve.
And nakikita niya ang layo ni Tura dun sa defense pattern nila.
This is a great follow-up performance for Kagalawan. 13 points already. Makilang! Pumalik sa side ng Letran. Silva sends it across. Sophie had to adjust. Martin was right there. Makilang will rise. Kept alive by Abraham. Kagalawan. Silva with a dig. 1-2 for Estrelier. Long rally here. Lefty push. It's still alive. Makilang from the other side. Nasa likod si Habacon. Kagalawan. Silva was there for defense. Rally continues. Drop ball. And
Gia
Gia
Makilang.
Makilang
Oh,
ends it.
sayang akala ko mabubuhay pa. Pero long rally.
Oh man,
Wow.
such an exhilarating rally right there. Won by the Lady Knights.
Wow.
Drop
What a
ball.
rally.
Now
Oh.
on deck to serve. It's Royce De La Cruz.
And
Ang sarap panoorin
Sarap
ng
panoorin.
palitan nila
That's right.
ng bola.
You love the consistency
Yes.
sa floor defense. Yung magkabi
Yes.
ng panic natin. Walang sinusuko ang bola. Pinigay ni Molina sa likod. Habacon
Angel Habacon.
with the score from behind.
Hindi ako magtataka kung bakit siya
Now on for the
36
serve.
points
It's Sophie
against
Kagalawan.
JRU kasi kahit sa likod, Kahit sa likod, kaya niyang gumawa ng puntos.
21 puntos para kay Angel Habacon. Kadalawan starts it up. Nat. Gia is denied. Balik kay Makilang. Now a chance for the Lady Red Spikers. It's Habacon's turn. And she will score.
Angel Habacon.
Unstoppable, Angel
Substitution
Habacon.
for the Red Spikers.
for the San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
Number 14, Tayag In.
22 puntos para kay Angel
It's
Habacon.
Max Tayag to serve.
Nafe-feel ko yung frustration ng mga blockers
Oh,
ni
yeah.
Angel na bakit hindi natin siya mapigilan?
Kasi nakaposisyon naman sila.
Yes!
Ooh,
Attack goes out.
Makilang overshoots it. San Beda is within a point. Ito na, Zola. Tatlong sunod mula sa Lady Red Spikers. Yung dalawang teams natin, nagkakapitan.
Grabe palitan.
Oh, ganda ng abang ni Flores. It's a chance ball though. Chance muli para sa Letran. Flores again. Saved by Abraham. Another opportunity for Letran. Ledesma is denied. Gia. Oh. Back-to-back attack errors for Gia
And we are
Makilang.
now tied
And ang
at
daming
18.
chances na pwedeng kumuha ng puntos itong Letran. Ang daming binigay na free ball.
Tignan muna natin yung performance si Lara May Silva. I am in awe. 15 excellent digs, 12 excellent receptions, a double-double, and we're only in set 3. May isang set pa tayo mamaya.
Yan
At
yung
least.
Yan yung sinasabi nilang nagwawalis ka
Yun, correct.
sa loob ng court.
Nililinis yung court, Angel Habacon! This is getting ridiculous.
Ang daming anggulo ng palo
Oh my goodness.
ni Angel Habacon.
Timeout.
23 points
San
now
Juan
for
Letra.
Angel.
Score 19 to 18.
Coach O calls for
in
time.
favor of San Beda University.
Look, girls, we're having the wrong motivation. Kailangan natin right motivation, Gia and Natalie. Kailangan natin right motivation. You don't need to make a stuff right away. Okay, you don't need spectacular play. Just do good. Patience, pagbalik ka ng bola. Okay, ito gagawin. Look, bago ng storya, Nats. Nagkabalikan, ba't di mo pinaganon dito? Pwede! Oh, ganun single. Para yung quicker nila, may uli naman sa kanya. Naintindihan?
Hoy, patient tayo!
Depensa tsaka sarisi muna, ha?
Okay, si Coach Oliver is trying to help his team to find the
Still
right
at the service
motivation
deck.
para
It's Max Tayag.
makabalik yung Letran dito. Triple-double
Wow.
already for Angel Habacon. 23 points,
Wow.
10 excellent digs, 11 excellent receptions.
What
She's
a
doing
performance
everything.
for Angel Habacon.
What? San Beda is now ahead. Makilang with the response.
Gia Makilang.
Nakapag-adjust dito si Gia Makilang.
Letran
Now
equalizes set
for
number
serve
3.
is Nat Estrella.
And again, this is a very steady Letran team. Mahanap kaya ng Letran ng right motivation. Angel. Oh!
Angel Habacon.
24 points.
Wow, hindi pa bumabagsak yung bola
Now
sa
for
floor.
serve is Jay De La
Alam niya
Cruz.
nang kanya na yung puntos na yan. Wow,
Too good. He's too good.
ang dami niyang kayang gawin sa
Yeah.
ere.
Okay. Ooh! De La Cruz
Service error.
commits the service error. An exciting finish dito sa ating set number 3.
And a crucial error for
Ah.
San
It's
Beda.
Gia Makilang
Very
to
crucial.
serve.
This could open the door for Letran. Flores with a good pass. Angel! Again!
Angel Habacon.
25 now for Angel Habacon.
Di mapigilan nitong Letran Lady Knights, itong si Angel Habacon. Sa dami na kaya niyang gawin.
Kat Molina to serve.
She is putting on a show. Good pass from Lara May. Quick attack. Went wide for Ledesma.
Attack goes out.
San Beda
Substitution for the Lady Knights.
captures a
Number 6
2-point
out.
lead.
Number 18, Melendrez in.
Yes, but ang ganda nung intention ni Estrelier na yung middle
22,
attacker
7,
naman niya
20.
ang pagalawin niya. Kasi nababantayan na yung mga outside and opposite hitter.
That's 2 straight
goes out.
service errors for the Lady Red Spikers. And this is
On deck to serve, it's Daisy Melendrez.
what you don't need to do against this dangerous Letran team.
Yes, if they really need to get this set.
Daisy Melendrez is in the fold. Habacon, bumalik ang bola sa San Beda. Angel again, covered by Estrelier. Martin with a lefty push. Easy up. Angel sets it up for Abraham. Dun si Melendrez. Martin! Oh, what a save! It's still alive! Flores sends it across. Martin! Return!
Erin Navarro.
It's a kill block for the Lady Red Spikers.
Wow. Wild. Lahat-lahat ng tao dito sa loob ng San Juan Arena nag-e-enjoy.
Yeah. What a save here. That was Maxine Tayag, the veteran, keeping the ball alive, and then San Beda with a shutdown at the net. Silva again saving that one. Set up for Abraham. Here comes Letran. Chance ball given to San Beda. Abraham with the push. Not gonna work. Judel with a good shot.
That is the point for the Lady Knights.
Kinailangan yan
Yes.
ng Letran.
Kailangan nila ng breather
Substitution for the Lady Red Spikers.
What a
para,
battle.
para hindi magtuloy-tuloy. Kasi nasa momentum na itong San Beda.
Pakisabi kay coach kung may clarification siya, pakiabot sa inyo, wag siya mag-isigaw doon na. Bigyan ko siya ng warning.
Number 10, Kagalawan in.
Warning is given to Coach O by referee number 1, Justin Cruz. Letran is within a point.
Yannitura to serve.
We've experienced long sets in this match, and it doesn't change here in set number 3. Difficult first ball. Angel from behind.
Attack error.
That one was too low. Tabladayo. 23 all.
Medyo may alanganin sa part neto ni Angel Habacon.
And I think San Beda needs to address their
Timeout.
first ball.
San Beda University.
Here's the timeout by
Score.
Coach Edgar.
23 all.
Pag sumikip yung muscle nyo, problema yan. Bigay nyo lang. Ha? Wala kang blocker dun. Sige lang, relax. Oh, dulo-dulo mo lang. Dulo-dulo mo lang. Ha? Gel, ready ka lagi dyan. Ready ka lagi, ha? Cover ninyo yung mga pumapalo. Yun lang importante ron. Para may second chance tayo, ha? Let's go, let's go!
Pressure-packed situation. Here in set number 3.
And alam din ni Coach Edgar kung paano maglaro itong mga players niya.
Yeah.
Kung malakas tayo sa wings, doon mo lang papuntahin ang papuntahin.
Yeah. Okay. Here's the service of Judel. Too strong.
Service goes out.
Again, the other purpose of a late set timeout is to freeze the server.
It's Erin Navarro.
Set
serving
point.
at set point.
San Beda.
And to stop the momentum
Yeah.
ng server.
Erin Navarro. Good pass. Estrelier to Martin. A chance for San Beda. Kagalawan. Andun si Silva. Estrelier. Kept alive. Angel sends it over. Martin! Sa likod si Navarro. Palawan! Yes!
Point for the Lady Red Spikers.
The Lady Red Spikers win set 3. What a finish!
Again, another long hit galing kay Kagalawan.
And now, San Beda pulls ahead 2 sets to 1. Magbabalik po kami for set 4.
The